Sostenibilidad é um tópico hopi al caso dentro do sector. E agora o setor hoteleiro também está trabalhando de direção aqui. Não somente para reduzir gastos no hotel, sino para estar mais atrativo para turistas que têm uma prioridade para começar aqui e no mesmo momento ajuda no meio ambiente.
Efforts have been long going for many years. We started actually in the 80s already with environmental conservation. And over the years, we have added a lot of certifications. Number one, we are now Green Globe certified, EarthCheck, and ISO 14001. And presently, we are undergoing LEED certification, which is the ultimate certification in environmental sustainability.
Hoy en día, más y más personas están virando conscientes del tópico de sostenibilidad. Toda gente quiere aportar a un mejor medio ambiente y los turistas también. Esta es la razón principal para que Bucuti y Tyrant Beach Resort opta para ir en dirección aquí. Van de hotel mes, staff también está preparado para ir en rumbo aquí y regularmente el hotel está contribuye a trabajo voluntario de manera beach cleaning.
It actually started partially with our customers who demanded that we are more environmentally conscious. They hated the fact that we were using plastic, and this goes back many years. So the first thing we did is cut out plastics, and then we started when the prices of oil started to increase. Rather than increasing our rates to compensate for the losses, we started to implement safeguards to save as much energy as possible. And from one thing, it evolved into the next thing, and eventually we had a whole green program together and then became certified. And I tell you, it really helps also with our customers.
El pensamiento de un hotel sostenible encaja perfectamente con la visión que tiene para Aruba por algún tiempo. Cabe y planear para seguir en dirección a que para más nos ejerciendo un proyecto sostenible.